No, nothing's wrong, I just wanna talk.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Anjum Sheikh and welcome back to another vlog. So today my morning started really early. Now the time is around 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm here out for a quick trek with my friends. So yeah, now I will just do a little bit of trekking and then get back home. And you guys can see it looks so much beautiful from here. You guys can see the view from here. It is very beautiful. I'm loving it.
I love more than enough, but is it too much? I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. I need them to need me around, to be an audience for my breakdowns. 'Cause I don't wanna be the center of the universe, carrying the world hurts, and I'm getting tired. And I'd settle for Jupiter. The gravity on Earth works over time, and so do I. So I'll find my way to the edge for some perspective on the universe.
So yes guys, I'm done with my trek now. I will just go home, take a bath, have my breakfast, and after that I will make a to-do list for today. So yes guys, this is the to-do list for today. Now the time is around 11:30 in the morning. Now I have a lecture from 12 to 2 o'clock and after that I will start polity revision. So after the lecture, now I am just doing the polity revision and I am making some flashcards for polity. I will be showing how I make my flashcards in some further videos. I am planning to do a dedicated video for that. So yes guys, stay tuned with the channel.
Supernova only glows after it explodes. That's a fact I hold on to when panic attacks. Cause I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. I give myself the space that I need and leave the atmosphere to finally breathe. Cause I don't wanna be the center of the universe, carrying the world hurts, and I'm getting tired. I'd settle for Jupiter. The gravity on Earth works over time, and so do I. So I'll find my way to the edge for some perspective on the universe. I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. Yeah, I need them to need me around, to be an audience for my breakdowns. 'Cause I don't wanna be the center of the universe, carrying the world hurts, and I'm getting tired.
So hey guys, now it's 7 o'clock in the evening. I'm done with half our session for reasoning and I thought I will just come and talk to you about negativity. And many of you were asking me in the comment section that how to deal with negativity or how to deal with someone that is constantly criticizing you or just trying to pull you down in whatever thing you are doing. Just to talk about criticism is basically of two types. First one is a positive one and second one is a negative one. Positive criticism means if someone comes to you and tells you that you are doing something wrong and you can improve that. If someone tells you that you can improve something, that means that person is doing a positive criticism, and that person really wants us to improve. So you should definitely listen to someone that is doing a positive criticism and just try to improve whatever points they have pointed out. But on the other hand, what does a negative criticism means? That if someone comes to you and tells you that you cannot do this and you can never do this, that person is not telling you that you can improve, but that person is just telling you that you can never do this. So this is basically a negative criticism. If someone comes to you and tells you this, you should never ever listen to that person. You should never care about that person. So the whole point of how to deal with negativity, the main and the most important context is that you should never ever care about that person, or you should never ever care that what that person's opinion is. So now let's just talk about myself and how I deal with negativity. So back then when I started this YouTube channel, I was really curious to know what others think and what everyone is thinking about my videos, or if someone is doing a negative comment on my YouTube channel, I was really very much affected by that. I used to think that यार मैंने कुछ गलत तो नहीं बोल दिया, यार मैं कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रही. I started to question myself and started to question everything, like am I presenting myself correctly, am I giving good information, am I saying something wrong in the videos. But later now I just get to know that यार वो सब कुछ नहीं मैटर करता. It does not matter. So if someone is doing a positive criticism, like just someone is telling me that yeah, you are doing something wrong and you can just improve this by doing this, then I am really glad that someone is doing a positive criticism, and I just try to absorb that and improve that in myself. This is a really appreciable thing. But on the other hand, someone telling me that यार तू कुछ नहीं कर सकती, और like अच्छा किया तूने तो YouTube चैनल चालू कर दिया, तुझसे तो IAS की एग्जाम नहीं निकलेगी यार, or anything like that, that your voice is really like a boy, and everything. And just to be honest with you, I am really proud of what voice I have. I think that someone, a third person coming and telling me about my voice, I really don't appreciate that. And I then try to understand that yeah, that does not matter what a third person thinks, because that person does not want good for you. If that person wanted something good to you, or just wanted us to improve, then that person would have done a positive criticism, or just have told me that yeah, you are doing this wrong, try to improve that. This is what a good person will do. And you will never see a successful person criticizing someone. They will do a positive criticism and they will just say that yeah, you are doing something wrong, you can improve this. But you will never see a successful person just saying that yeah, you can never do this. This is not a personality that a successful person has. So now you know what kind of person is doing a negative criticism, and you know the mentality of someone doing a negative criticism. So you should just understand now that you should never care about a person having that mentality. So yeah, I just wanted to say this, that please guys, never ever care about a person that is doing a negative criticism, because that will never affect your life in a good way, but that will affect your life in a very bad way. So now I am very much glad that I started this YouTube channel, and today I can just sit in front of a camera and talk whatever I have in my heart in front of you, or I can share my experiences for my life and how I deal with everything with you with so much of confidence that compared to what I had in the first video. So I am very glad to say that I have grown so much making these videos. And I just wanted to say that when back then someone was telling me that यार क्यों चालू किया यूट्यूब चैनल, पढ़ाई पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करती, और तब मुझे लगता है यार सच में मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ. बट अब मुझे लगता है नहीं यार, आई एम सो ग्लैड आई स्टार्टेड दिस, आई एम सो ग्लैड एंड आई एम वेरी मच हैप्पी दैट today I can just sit in front of a camera and just talk about my life experience with you, because I know I am inspiring someone out there. If even one single student get inspired by me or just understands what I want to say, I am really happy. And just to talk to you, there are 95% of people, those who watch my videos, that are really supporting me, and just 5% of people are there, those who are doing a negative comment. So should I even care about that 5%? No, I will just care about the 95% that are supporting me and try to make good content for the 95% of people out there. The whole summary of what I was talking for past, I think 5 to 6 minutes, was just that if you know and if you are confident about yourself, please guys, go for it. It does not matter what a third person says you or what a third person tells you, because every time if a person is doing a negative criticism, that person will be very much below you, or that person is just doing a negative comment because that person is jealous of you or is thinking that you are doing much more great things in your life than they can do. So you know what type of person they are, and now you know you should never care about them. You just have to do what you think is good, and if you think you can do that, just go for it. I know you can do this and you will do that. And I hope this was really helpful for you, and if it was helpful, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be really happy to know what you think about this. And if you want much more videos like this, just me sitting in front of camera and talking about my life experiences, I will be really happy to do that. Just let me know in the comment section below what you want me to talk about, or did this session help you. I just wanted to know this. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. Now it's around 7:30 in the evening. Now I will just go have some snacks, and then I have to do some session for human rights. I will just do that. So now it's time for some paper analysis. So basically what I do in this part of the day is that I just split the screen of my laptop in two parts. On one side of the screen I have the previous year's question paper, and on the other side of the screen I have the note taking app that I am using. So I just classify the questions that are asked in previous year's question paper into the different subjects that we have. For example, all the questions that were asked for polity in previous year's question paper will be listed in this part of the note. And I will do the same for all other subjects also. So yes guys, I think this was it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for someone that is struggling to deal with negativity. And yes guys, just know, if you are confident about something, just go for it. Don't think about a third person's opinion, just go for it. I know you can do this if you have confidence in yourself. So yes guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, bye.